If you want to use circle to search on Samsung Galaxy A37, then in that case we need to simply press and hold our finger on the navigation bar if you use gestures for navigation. And if you use 3 buttons for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the home button instead. I'm going to use the Google app as an example just to show you how it works. So essentially, if you activate the circle to search overlay, then you should be able to select the area that should be used as a reference in the Google search. So let's say I'm gonna draw a shape around this area over here, and then this area should be highlighted, and then we can get Google search results with some clues, maybe some information about the subject that you're looking for. Maybe you can find some articles, maybe visual matches, and so on and so forth. Besides that, instead of drawing a shape, you can just simply tap on the subject in order to try to find more information about it. And even if something has been already selected, you can still adjust the selected area by just grabbing by these corners, and you can move up and down a little bit. Besides that, what you can also do is you can use the song recognition feature. Circle to search allows you to simply let the phone listen to the background, and then based on the sound, of course, based on the audio that the phone gets, you can get Google search result with the song title. So if you don't know the title of a song that you like, it is being played somewhere in the background, you can just simply use this feature over here, and you should be able to get the song title in Google search results. You can also sing or hum a song as well. This should allow you to get some results, possibly, of course. And also there is the screen translation feature. So if you tap on this translation option, then the source language is going to be automatically detected. If it's selected incorrectly, then of course you can change it, and you can choose the target language. In my case, I'm going to stick with English. And there we go, everything has been updated and translated. But you can also activate scrolling option. So if you tap on this hand with the pointing finger and an arrow, then now we should be able to scroll down. And then once you stop for a second, then after a couple of seconds, this screen is going to be translated. So you can use this feature in order to translate your screen in real time in case you have an app or a website or anything that is in foreign language that you don't understand. Of course, circle to search can be deactivated. So if you cannot really activate it, if you cannot activate and start using circle to search, you want to make sure that it is enabled in settings. So you want to go to settings on your phone, then proceed to display, and then over here we need to find the navigation bar, and then here we have circle to search, which of course we can enable or disable. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.